Hello, it is a very nice and warm day in the park today.
Hello. Yes, the sun is very bright and hot today. It is perfect weather for the park.
I am walking here for a very long time now. I need something cold to drink or eat.
I have many cold things here at my cart. I sell coffee, water, and ice cream.
That is wonderful news for me now. The ice cream looks very delicious and cold.
The ice cream is very fresh this morning. Which flavor do you want to try?
I see the chocolate ice cream and the strawberry ice cream. I like both of them.
Both flavors are very popular with the children and with the adults. The strawberry is very sweet.
I think I will order the cold strawberry flavor today. It looks very red and refreshing.
Good choice. That is my best-selling flavor here at the park every summer.
I will take 1 cup of the strawberry ice cream, please. I do not need a cone today.
1 cup of strawberry ice cream coming right up. I will prepare it quickly for you.
Thank you very much for your fast service. I am ready to eat it now.
Please wait just 1 minute while I scoop the ice cream for you. I need to get a clean cup.
I will wait here patiently for my cold treat. I can look at the big fountain over there.
The fountain looks very nice with the water flowing. I am working near it all day.
You have the best location in the entire park for selling cold things. Everyone is hot now.
Yes, many people come here to buy something cool in the afternoon heat.
Here is the cup with your delicious strawberry ice cream. It is a big, full scoop.
Oh, thank you. That is a very big scoop of ice cream for me.
I am happy to give you a generous portion for your walk. It is a hot day.
I see you also have cold coffee available here. Is the coffee strong today?
Yes, the iced coffee is very strong and it is very cold. It has ice cubes inside.
I think I need a cup of that cold, strong coffee too now. I am getting sleepy.
I can prepare an iced coffee for you right away. Do you want sugar in the coffee?
Yes, please add 2 spoons of sugar to my coffee. I like it very sweet.
2 spoons of sugar it is. Do you also want milk in your iced coffee?
No, thank you. I prefer my coffee black and very strong today.
1 black iced coffee with 2 spoons of sugar coming right up. I will get a new cup.
I will drink the coffee slowly with my ice cream. This is a perfect combination.
I agree. Sweet strawberry ice cream and strong black coffee are great together.
The park is usually very quiet in the morning, but now many people are here.
It is a holiday today, so many families are coming to the park now.
That explains all the noise and all the children running around here.
Here is your black iced coffee. Please take the cold cup carefully now.
Thank you, Sam. Now I have 2 wonderful things to enjoy here. How much money do I owe you for the 2 items? Please tell me the total cost for the order.
The ice cream is $4 for the big cup. The large iced coffee is $5 in total.
$4 plus $5 means $9 total. Is that the final price for everything?
Yes, $9 is the correct price for both items you ordered. It is a very fair price for the size.
I am looking in my wallet to see my cash. I have a $10 bill here for you.
$10 is perfect for this transaction. I will easily give you $1 back in change.
Here is the $10 bill for the payment. Thank you for making the process fast.
Thank you for the payment, Lana. I am giving you $1 coin back from my cash box.
Thank you for the change money. Everything is correct and I am happy with the transaction.
Do you need a small paper napkin for the ice cream cup? The strawberry ice cream might start to drip soon.
Yes, please give me a napkin. The hot sun makes the ice cream melt very quickly today.
Here is a clean paper napkin for you to hold. Please hold the cup inside the napkin for safety.
That is a smart idea, Sam. The napkin will catch any melting strawberry juice perfectly.
Do you prefer to pay with cash money or with a credit card at the park? I accept both forms of payment.
I use cash when I am in the park. My credit card often does not work well outside with small carts.
Yes, cash is always much faster and easier for small transactions outside. The card machine signal is often poor.
I agree. Cash makes the buying process very quick and simple for everyone in a rush. Sam, your ice cream cart is always very clean and very neat. You keep everything looking new.
Thank you, Lana. I clean the counter all day long with a damp cloth. Cleanliness is very important for food service.
It is important for food safety for all the customers. I always look for clean places when I buy food.
Do you come to this large park very often for a walk or run? I see you here many times a week.
Yes, I come here maybe 3 times every week for exercise. I really like sitting near the big fountain.
The fountain area is a great place to sit and watch the many people walking by. I watch them all day from here.
Do you work here at this exact spot every single day of the week? I always see your nice cart here.
I work here every day from Monday to Saturday. Sunday is my one day for resting at home.
Everyone needs one rest day every week. You work very long hours here outside in the sun.
Yes, I work from 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening, but I like my job very much here in the park.
I like that you meet many different people every day. I think that is a fun part of your job.
That is very true. Park visitors are usually happy when they're buying cold ice cream.
I am ready to start my walk again. My coffee is cold and my legs are rested.
Please be careful with the ice cream when you start moving. It is very soft and melts fast in the heat.
I will walk slowly in the shade to keep the ice cream cold longer. The trees offer good protection.
Here are your 2 cold items. The coffee is very cold and the ice cream is very sweet.
I need both my hands to hold these cold cups. They feel very cold against my skin.
Please hold them tightly and very carefully. Do not let the sweet strawberry ice cream fall.
I will hold them very carefully. I do not want to lose my coffee or my expensive ice cream.
The ice cream cup has a small plastic spoon right inside the clean napkin. You can start eating quickly.
The small spoon is perfect for eating the melting ice cream quickly. It saves me time.
Do you need a small paper straw for drinking the black iced coffee? I have some here for free.
Thank you for offering the straw. I prefer to drink the strong coffee straight from the cold cup.
I hope the coffee is strong enough for your taste today. I put an extra strong shot of coffee inside for you.
It looks very dark and very strong. That is exactly what I needed today.
The sugar is completely mixed in the coffee for you. You can drink it right away without stirring.
That is good. I do not like when the sugar sits only at the bottom of the cold cup.
Everything is ready for you to enjoy your walk in the beautiful park. Enjoy your sweet and cold treats.
Thank you so much for the quick and very friendly service, Sam. You were very kind.
You are very welcome, Lana. Please come back and see me again soon.
I will come back tomorrow for another cold coffee and perhaps a different flavor of ice cream. I will check your new flavors.
Tomorrow, I will have a very new flavor. It is a delicious lemon ice cream that everyone loves.
Lemon ice cream sounds wonderful for the hot weather tomorrow. I will definitely try that flavor.
I hope you enjoy the rest of your walk in the park today. Find a nice, shady bench to sit on.
I will sit on a bench near the fountain to enjoy my items slowly. It is my favorite place to sit.
That is a great spot to rest and watch the people. The shade under those trees is very cool and comfortable.
You have the best cart in the whole park, Sam. Your prices are fair and your service is great too.
Thank you for the high praise and the compliment.
I work hard to keep everything just right for my customers.
I will see you here again tomorrow morning, Sam. Have a nice rest of your day.
Goodbye, Alana. Have a very nice day and enjoy your delicious coffee and ice cream.